Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jam without sugar. We'll dive into creating delicious, healthy preserves using natural alternatives. You'll learn about selecting ripe fruits and the importance of natural pectin. This method allows you to enjoy the pure taste of fruit with fewer calories. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a jam-making haven with these easy-to-follow instructions. For sugar-free jam, selecting very ripe, naturally sweet fruits is key. Think about luscious berries, sweet peaches, or apricots. Instead of refined sugar, you can use a small amount of fruit juice concentrate, like apple or white grape, or a natural sweetener such as stevia. To achieve that perfect jam consistency, you'll need either high pectin fruits or a specific low-sugar pectin designed for these recipes. The process begins by thoroughly washing and preparing your chosen fruits, perhaps about 2 pounds. Then, combine the prepared fruit with your natural sweetener and the low-sugar pectin in a large pot. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer gently, stirring frequently. Cook for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the jam thickens to your desired consistency. Once your delicious sugar-free jam is ready, carefully ladle it into sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. For long-term storage, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This ensures a proper seal and extends shelf life. Store your beautiful homemade jam in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. It's perfect on toast, stirred into yogurt, or as a topping for pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.